Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon N. And in this lesson we'll discover together le verbe savoir. Savoir means to know and it's quite useful, and but then it is irregular, so it belongs to the third group of verbs, so it's quite good to see the way to conjugate it together, okay, at the present form, and we'll see it right now. Okay, so let's start now. Je sais. Okay, final S not pronounced, and then you get this A-I, E. Okay, je sais. Sais. Okay. Tu sais. Same form, final S not pronounced. Tu sais. Il sait, final T not pronounced. Elle sait. So one phonetical form so far. Nous savons. So classic ending for nous, O-N-S. You don't pronounce the final S. Nous savons. Nous savons. Okay? Then vous savez. Classic ending for vous, E-Z, but then phonetically it's E. Vous savez. Savez. And then il. Here, classic ending for il and elle at the plural form. E-N-T, you don't pronounce it, so you get the sound savent, v-v-v-v, savent, okay? Ils savent, elles savent. So let's see that one more time. Je sais, tu sais, il sait, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils savent, elles savent. Well, that's it. You know the verb savoir at the present form, and I'm really happy for you. If you want to check more lessons, then it's www.youtube.com/imagier, as French people would say. Okay, and then the website is here, imagier.net. You can find more material. Have a great day. Bye-bye.